Xiaomi Smart Door Locks, Security and Convenience Redefined. Are you tired of fumbling for keys or worrying about lost ones? If so, it's time to discover the world of Xiaomi Smart Door Locks. Xiaomi, the renowned Chinese technology giant, has revolutionized home security with its innovative range of smart door locks. These locks blend cutting-edge technology with stylish designs, offering an unparalleled level of convenience and protection for your home. The benefits of Xiaomi Smart Door Locks. Let's delve into the key reasons why you should consider upgrading your traditional lock to a Xiaomi Smart Door Lock. Effortless unlocking. Gone are the days of frantically searching for your keys. Xiaomi Smart Door Locks offer a multitude of unlocking methods, including Fingerprint Recognition, the most convenient option. Simply place your registered finger on the sensor for instant access. Secure passwords. Create permanent or temporary passwords for yourself, family members, or guests. NFC. Unlock your door instantly with a tap of your NFC-enabled smartphone or compatible device. Bluetooth. Use your smartphone's Bluetooth connection to unlock your door with just a few taps within the app. Mechanical key. A traditional mechanical key is always included as a reliable backup option. Smart home integration. Seamlessly integrate your Xiaomi Smart Door Lock with your existing smart home ecosystem, such as Xiaomi's Mi Home app or Apple Home Kit. This allows you to create smart scenarios and routines. For example, you can set your lights to turn on automatically when you unlock your door. Real-time monitoring. Xiaomi Smart Door Locks often come equipped with features that keep you informed about your door's status. Receive notifications whenever your door is opened or closed, and remotely check its status from anywhere using your smartphone. Enhanced security. Unlike traditional locks, Xiaomi Smart Door Locks are incredibly difficult to pick or tamper with. Features like tamper alarms, incorrect password lockout, and forced entry alerts provide additional peace of mind. Some models even include built-in cameras for real-time visual monitoring of your doorstep. Choosing the right Xiaomi Smart Door Lock. Xiaomi offers a diverse selection of smart door locks to suit various homes and preferences. Here are some key factors to keep in mind when making your decision. Unlocking methods. Consider which unlocking methods are essential for you and your household. Smart home compatibility. If you already have a smart home setup, ensure your chosen door lock is compatible with your platform, like Mi Home or Apple Home Kit. Design. Xiaomi designed smart locks that are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, so choose one that complements your door's style. Advanced features. Some Xiaomi smart door locks come with innovative features like integrated cameras, doorbells, and duress fingerprint/password options. These can be great for heightened security. Installation and setup. Installing a Xiaomi smart door lock is often a straightforward process. Most models are designed for DIY installation, and Xiaomi provides clear step-by-step instructions. If you're not comfortable with DIY, professional installation services are also widely available. Once installed, setting up your Xiaomi Smart Door Lock is just as easy. The accompanying app will guide you through adding the lock to your smart home network and configuring your preferred settings. A smarter, more secure future. Xiaomi Smart Door Locks represent a significant leap forward in home security and convenience. They eliminate the hassle of traditional keys, provide advanced monitoring capabilities, and integrate perfectly with your smart home environment. If you're looking for a more intelligent way to protect your home and simplify your life, a Xiaomi Smart Door Lock is certainly worth considering. Let me know if you'd like to explore some specific Xiaomi Smart Door Lock models and their features in more detail. Also, remember to check out other videos in this playlist or recommended videos for similar content.